Hey y'all, what's going on this Tuesday morning? Is it Tuesday? I gotta check here. I don't even know what dang day it is. Yep, Tuesday morning. Yeah, a bunch of people want to do another ride along video, so I made one up for you. I did this video yesterday. I went to the propane store. I left that one out because that one's kind of tedious. But the other one is just going to the store, what I usually do about once a week. And me babbling, and I think I even make a live appearance at the end of one of these videos. I can't remember. Anyway, yes, that is me in that picture, and that is my daughter standing beside me. This picture was taken, I would say 40 years ago. That is a 40-year-old picture right there. I think I was probably 25. Anyway, enjoy the video. Hey guys, heading to my weekly shopping trip downtown. I'm going to take you a different way today. This is the main drag. You've seen this before. I don't think I've shown you the other one yet. There's 2 or 3 streets down below this one. We'll go take one of them. That's where all the shops and stuff are. Antique shops and all that. This is it right here. It's Indiana Street. Got stuff down here to the right. There's a few nuts and bolts places. Okay, all right. Let me go. Here we got American Glass. They said they'd put a new windshield in this car for $210, but it'll take. I have to leave the car for 3 hours. I haven't done that yet. Haven't figured that out, how I'm going to do that yet. Public library right there on the right. This is where all the partying goes on, not the wild drunken partying things. This Pictures Universe, that's a antique-y kind of place. They have farmers markets down here and little festivals and stuff. There's our indoor movie theater right there on the right. It's an old place. You got Performing Arts Center, the Christmas store. That can't be a year-round type of thing. Oh, First Texas Bank. What else we got? First Texas Building, parking lot. Yeah, there's a parking lot. The Broken Tap, that's a bar. That's a little uppity class bar. Got all kinds of stuff around here. Resupply store, value thrift store. They got, that place is huge. They got a lot of stuff in there. That place is loaded up. They're pretty expensive for a thrift store though. You do better at Walmart. 8th Street, little cafe over there. Downtown Welcome Center. I didn't even know we had a Welcome Center. I don't know why. Wichita Falls Brewing Company. That's a brewery right there on the right. That's pretty cool. That must be something fairly new. Anyway, this is the granola side of town here. The Capitol Center. That's pretty much it. What else we got here? Those on the right are closed. Got Greens. That used to be a furniture store, but I don't think they're open anymore. I never saw that before. Little Union Station Bank ATM thing dressed up like an old this backstage theater. That's where the performing arts guys come down there and do their little theatrical things. Anyway, that's Indiana Street. There's another street down, just one more. Not much down there except for the smallest skyscraper in the country is down there. We have the official title. It's a 4-story skyscraper. It's built like a skyscraper, but it's only 4 stories. So that's pretty cool. I think I've seen this before. Our brand new bus station. It's just as shitty as the old bus station. Well, the bus station's nice. I know a girl that works in there. But when you get on the bus and you're in the same old crap you used to be in years ago, it's nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty bus drivers. It's crazy. But I haven't taken a bus in a long time. Haystack, that's a bar. There's been more people stabbed in that bar than anywhere in the country. I'm pretty sure of it. Somebody's always getting stabbed in there. I don't go there, it's a dump. It's a Latino bar. Bombshells, a strip club with nobody there. And they're open. Or they're usually open this time of day. There ain't never more than one, maybe two cars there. Dental Planet, that's some kind of a warehouse for gas. They don't do dentistry there. It's just some kind of a big warehouse where they warehouse different gas, like acetylene and things like that. That place is huge. Oh, what else we got? We got a bridge. This bridge is deadly in the wintertime. It turns into ice immediately. If it gets below 30 degrees, it's ice. I know, I spun around on it a few times over a few different years. Now I don't even bother going on it. It's just nuts. Never got hurt, never wrecked my vehicle, but I've spun around, done donuts on it before. Thought I was gonna die, but I didn't. O'Brien's is a bar right there on the right. There's a bunch of other bars right there on the right. There's like 3 bars in that one building. Bar on my left. Pioneer Restaurant on my right. They got pretty good food. They've been there forever. They've been around since the dinosaurs died. Anyway, we're almost to my favorite grocery store. I don't really need much, but I ran out of ginger ale, so I gotta go get me some ginger ale, birdseed. Don't really need much for food. Unless they got them pre-cooked ribs, I'm gonna get me some of them. Them's good. And this is the right time of day to do it. It's around 11, 11:30, maybe 12 o'clock right now. I don't know, and I don't care. Now I'm thinking about ribs. I get some chicken too. I ain't fried any chicken in a long time. I've been eating them TV dinners from Hungry Man TV dinners. And I only get the chicken ones because I love that. I love them TV dinner chickens. I don't know why. I just have acquired a taste for them over the years. I think they're good. Crazy, I know, but I do. It's just the way it is. Well, the place is crowded again. Dang it! Well, they always crowded when I come down here. Probably because of the time of day. All right. We're here. If I can get this parking space without hitting anybody. They're being accosted by the police. I know they're waiting on me. Sons of bitches. Perfect parking, as usual. Alright, I'll be back. And while you're waiting for me to leave the store and get back on the road, I'll throw in a little bonus video here of me actually doing some physical labor. It's a very rare finding in the wild. Anyway, here it is. Come on now, get over. I can't see that good. There we are. That'll work. I'll even turn it around for you. Maybe you can see, maybe you can't. I don't know. Well, folks, you got to see a rare thing here. Me actually doing some physical labor, unloading propane bottles from the back of my car. Okay, let's finish up with the grocery store video. Alright, we're all shopped up and ready to go home. They had those pre-cooked ribs and I snatched them right up. eat them as soon as I get home. That's dinner, or lunch, or whatever you call it. Also refilled on popsicles and Rocky Road ice cream. Gotta have that. Can't be without it. It's like a necessity. Dyer's Rocky Road. Good stuff. That'll last me 2 weeks. I just eat a little bit at a time. I don't eat too much sweet stuff. Gotta have popsicles, you know, for every now and then. They probably get too much sugar in them though. I don't eat them very often. What else did I get? Oh, I got some of that thick bacon. And what else? What else I got? I'm gonna buy a new spatula, but they want way too much money for a spatula. I get one when I go to the Dollar, Family Dollar again. Oh yeah, I got one of the small bags of bird food, wild bird food. I'll throw that in with the rest of it. I got a whole big tote full of bird food at home. I just threw in a 14-pound bag of sunflower seeds, and I'll throw this in and mix it all up with that. They love the sunflower seeds, and they love the regular seed. Smaller birds, little sparrows, they like the smaller seed. We'll hook them up. I bought 2 cases of cat food online, even though I don't have a cat, about 2 months ago, and I still got a case left. There's like 24 cans in a case. And I'll put one out every day or every other day if I can remember, and the neighborhood cats or the strays will come over and have breakfast, dinner, or lunch, depending on when I put it out. I don't like to see critters going hungry. That ain't right. Ain't no need of that. I think I ended up paying like 30 cents a can when you buy it by the case online. Something like that. 30 to 50 cents a can. I don't know. I can spare it. Right lane closes ahead. Well, look at that. One time they got a road construction thing and there was actually barriers and whatnot. Of course there ain't nobody there working. Oh no, looks like they got the backhoe out. They are out there doing something. They're tearing that sidewalk up. I don't know what the hell they're doing. Could be a water line, could be fiber optic, could be cable. I have no idea. UPS truck downtown making his daily deliveries. Stay green. Oh look, now the next one's gonna turn yellow. Just my luck. I'll never make it through all the way downtown without hitting at least one red light. Right to passage, I guess. Oh, I can smell them ribs. I cannot wait to tear into them. It's a ride-along video. I gotta try taking a ride-along video with my new Canon T7. It's got a, I think it's 50 to 75 millimeter lens on it. It's not really perfect close up, but it should work fine for the ride-along deal. I still haven't, I think I used it once, but I didn't do anything with it, because when I upload videos from this camera I got, my camcorder, it takes forever. I gotta go jump through all kinds of hoops just to upload it. I gotta copy it off the disk, plug the computer in, plug the cam into the computer. It won't let me cut the video off the camera, so I copy it over to my hard drive, and that takes, God, it takes like 15 minutes to do all that. With the camera I can just pull the card out of it and do it that way. I suppose I could do that with this one too. I don't remember how this works. I'll have to look when I get home. I might be able to just do that, make it a lot easier. Just for some reason when the card's in the camera it just takes forever for it to download. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. And on this camcorder I have to convert it to MP4. It saves it in movie format. There's no way to change it that I can find on this camera. So it's another process I gotta go and deal with. But that's alright. I usually put them in the editor and edit them anyway, and then I have to render them after that. And that automatically saves them to MP4. I get it set up for that. Anyway, enough of my whining. It's beautiful out today. It's going to be 80 tomorrow, and then the day after it's going to be 40. And then if the weather forecast is correct, it's going to be in the 40s for the next 5 or 6 days, but that is never correct, so who knows? Ain't no telling. Anyway, I'm only leaving the camera on now just for dash cam, in case somebody gets crazy out here and tries to run into me or something. Hopefully that won't happen. Now that I know exactly where that American Glass place is, I might get down there tomorrow when it's warm. I'll just hang around for 3 hours if I have to. They don't want you to drive right away after you put the windshield in because they're afraid it hasn't set and it won't crack, so they make you wait 3 hours. That's crazy. I've installed my own windshields before and just took off down the road after and they never cracked on me. I've broken it through a couple of transporting them though. That's always a risky situation, trying to transport a windshield in the back of a pickup truck. It usually doesn't work out too good. They bounce around, they end up cracking right down in half. I don't want to do that. I may do that tomorrow. That is a good idea. I got a buddy that just retired. He can probably come pick me up, take me back down and get it done. I'll have to text him later. And all you people that complain about my windshield, won't have nothing to complain about no more. Not for at least 2 or 3 months anyway, because I won't wash it for a while, you know. Because I don't. I try to make a conscious effort to wash my windshield every time I take off now if I got my video camera with you. Because there's a couple people that just get all twisted up because my windshield is dirty. So I try to remember the things I do for you people. You're outrageous, your demands. Yeah, not really. I have a lot of windows boarded up around here for some reason lately. Must be some rock throwing going on. I don't know. It got windy down here a couple of days ago. I found sheets of plywood in my front yard, and where the hell did they come from? I don't know. They're no good. They were there. Anyway, that's it. Talk to you later. Bye. Well, thanks for hanging out for 17 or 18 minutes, whatever it was. Nice having you along for the ride. As you heard, I may be getting my windshield fixed today, maybe not. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. It doesn't bother me any. Anyway, y'all have a fantastic day. We'll talk to you later.